Welcome students. Here in this video we are going to discuss a question from heights and distances. The question is the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Complementary means sum of two angles is 90 degree. So first of all, try to make a diagram. Then this question will be very clear with the help of this diagram. So one tower is here. Suppose AB is a tower and there are 2 points in the same side of the tower. Suppose one point is C here and another point is D. And angles of elevation of the top of a tower is complementary and distances of these 2 points are given 4 meter and 9 meter. Suppose this distance BD is 4 meter and this distance BC is 9 meter, and here alpha and suppose beta are angles of elevation at points D and C respectively, and given that these two angles are complementary means alpha plus beta is 90 degree. Correct? So now let us see the solution. First of all, we will take this right angle triangle ABD. Here angle B is 90 degree. So in triangle ABD, we can write tan of alpha is equal to perpendicular AB by base BD. And therefore, tan of alpha is equal to AB and BD is 4. So tan alpha is equal to, we got here AB by 4. Now in triangle ABC, let us take tan of beta. Tan of beta, again perpendicular is same AB and base is BC. From here, we can write beta is equal to 90 degree minus alpha. And therefore here, tan of 90 degree minus alpha is equal to AB and BC is how much? BC is 9 meter. But we know a trigonometrical formula that tan of 90 minus alpha is cot alpha. Cot alpha is AB upon 9. Should not write meter here, simply write 9. And cot alpha is 1 by tan alpha. So therefore 1 by tan alpha is equal to AB by 9. AB by 9. And we have got value of tan alpha here, which is AB by 4. So if you put tan alpha is equal to AB by 4, then 1 by this much is equal to 4 by AB is equal to AB by 9. Or by cross multiplication, you can write AB square is equal to 36 and therefore AB is equal to square root of 36 is 6 meter. So this is height of the tower. Height of the tower is 6 meter. This is the answer. Proved. So students, these are very simple questions from the chapter of heights and distances. You do some practice, you will have a good command over this topic. Thank you very much for watching this video and please subscribe my channel IQ Learning so that you could get other videos from other chapters also. Thank you. Thank you very much.